Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to export bookmarks on Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome. On the upper right part of your screen, you'll see three dots. That's your burger icon. Click on that. Hover your mouse to Bookmarks and then select Bookmark Manager. Once you're in here, you'll see all of the bookmarks that you have on your Google Chrome. Now, on the right part of your screen, you'll see two burger icons now in here. So what you need to click is this one. Please don't be confused. The one that we need to click is the one that's aligned with search bookmarks. So click on this burger icon here, and then you'll see an option export bookmarks. Click on that, and you just need to select on where you want to save the bookmarks, or you want to export this bookmarks on your PC. Once you're done, then tap on save, and that's how to export bookmarks on Google Chrome. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.